myself is Soni Sanjay from the Department of Biology and Genetics. So today I'll be dealing with what is an ecosystem, the structure and function of an ecosystem, and the energy flow in an ecosystem. Now, before I start with what is an ecosystem, okay, we also need to know a brief history about this ecosystem or this ecology. Ecology is the study of ecosystem. Okay. Now, what is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is any community which includes the two main factors, that is the abiotic factor and the biotic factor. Now, what is the abiotic factor? Abiotic factors are the non-living components in a nature. Okay. What is a biotic factor? All the living components comes under the factor called as the biotic factors. So whenever there is an interaction between the biotic factors and the abiotic factors, okay, then we call it as a healthy ecosystem. Okay. Now the word ecosystem was coined by a botanist called Roy Clanton in a British publication, whereas the term ecology was coined by another ecologist called Ernst Haeckel. Okay. Different ecologists have given a different idea about the ecosystem, okay, or a different definition for an ecosystem. But the most approved one is a definition that is given by Odum. Okay. So according to Odum, an ecosystem is a unit of biotic and abiotic factors interacting together with the physical environment, where the biotic components, what his definition basically explains, the interactions or the association of biotic components, all the biotic components with the physical factor in a particular given area, okay, is said to be an ecosystem. So the most accepted definition was the definition that was given by Odum. So Odum basically explained how an ecosystem, how a relationship within an ecosystem takes place. Okay, so this is the basic structure or basic information or about what is an ecosystem. Now, the next topic that we have to study is the structure of an ecosystem. The structure of an ecosystem is basically explained with respect to the biotic and the abiotic factors. Okay. Now, if a ecosystem should be successful and healthy, both these factors should simultaneously perform its actions together. Okay, or should both these factors and the components of these factors should function properly to have a successful ecosystem. Now, when I say a structure of an ecosystem, the components that is present in the biotic factors as well as in the abiotic factors plays a very important role. Okay. Now, whenever I say abiotic factors, it is divided into two main components. One called as the climatic component and one called as the edaphic component. Okay? One called as the climatic component and one called as the edaphic component. Now, what do you mean by climatic component? The temperature, light, water, etc. comes under the climatic abiotic factor, or these are the components under abiotic factor. Now, the abiotic factor can also be divided into another way or another component called as the edaphic factor. Edaphic factor basically includes the topography, the pH, humidity. Okay, these are the different factors that comes under edaphic factor, edaphic component. So basically, if you see the climatic conditions and the edaphic conditions, both should interact together with the biotic factors to have a successful ecosystem. Okay. Now, what are the biotic factors? Now, the biotic factors are further divided into three components. They are the producers, consumers, and the decomposers. Producers, consumers, and the decomposers. So, under biotic factors, these three components plays a very important role. Okay. Now, what are producers? Producers are otherwise called as the autotrophs. Okay. Producers are otherwise called as the autotrophs. Next, now what are autotrophs? Autotrophs are any individuals in an ecosystem that can synthesize their own food. For example, plants. Okay, plants can synthesize their own food. Okay, now such type of individuals, okay, such type of organisms are called comes under the producers. Now, consumers. Consumers are otherwise called as, again, consumers is further divided into three main components. Okay, herbivore, carnivore, and the omnivore. Okay, so consumers is further divided into herbivore, carnivore, and omnivores. Now, what are herbivores? Herbivores are individuals or organisms that feed on the autotrophs for their food. For their energy, they have to feed on the autotrophs to receive their energy, to have that energy for its metabolism. Carnivores are animals that feeds on the herbivore for its energy or for its food. Whereas omnivores are another type of organisms that feed both on plants as well as on the flesh. Okay, so consumers is divided into three main types, that is herbivore, which feed only on plants, carnivores, which feed only on flesh, and omnivores are animals that feeds on both. Okay. Now, the last one coming to the decomposers. Now, the decomposers, when I say, it includes microorganisms, fungi, algae. Okay. So, the decomposers basically includes all the microorganisms, fungi, everything comes under this decomposers. Now, what is this role of decomposers in the structure of an ecosystem? This decomposers can play a very important role with respect to the producers or can interact with the producers and the consumers. Only then we say that they have a proper cyclic ecosystem that is happening. So, the structure of an ecosystem basically includes two main factors, that is the abiotic factors and the biotic factors. The abiotic factors is the non-living component of the nature, whereas the biotic factor is the living component of the nature. Under abiotic, we further classify them into two components, that is climatic and the edaphic. Under climatic, we have temperature, light, okay, water, all the such type of components comes under climatic conditions. Whereas the edaphic, under edaphic, it basically consists of topography, the area where it is there, the pH, the acidity, the salinity of a particular component, all of that comes under the edaphic factor. Then the biotic factor, okay, we have three type of components under biotic factors. We have the producers, consumers, and the decomposers. Producers are basically the autotrophs. Consumers basically is further divided into three main components, that is herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Decomposers basically form the microorganisms of a particular nature. If all these components interact together and simultaneously, then we call that particular system as an ecosystem. Okay, this is the structure of an ecosystem. Now coming to the function of an ecosystem. Okay, now coming to the function of an ecosystem. Okay, now if an ecosystem should both if the physical factor and the biotic factor of an ecosystem should work simultaneously, okay, there are certain functions that occurs in a positive ecosystem. Okay, now a successful ecosystem, there are different activities that takes place in a proper interactive community. Okay, now if you say the function of an ecosystem, it basically consists of four different functions. Okay, one is called as the energy flow. Decomposition, productivity, and the nutrient cycle. Okay, there are four main functions that takes place in an ecosystem. First is the energy flow, decomposition, productivity, and the nutrient cycle. Okay, now what is the productivity? The rate of the biomass produced by a particular organism is said to be the productivity. Now, the biomass can be the product of its respiration or photosynthesis. Okay, such type of productive or such type of biomass is said to be the productivity. Okay, next comes the decomposition. Okay, whenever we study the decomposition, the main components being or the main individuals, that is being the microorganisms, comes to action. The biomass that is produced by the step of productivity, by a function of productivity, is decomposed by in the position or in a step of decomposition. Here the decomposition basically is taken place by the microorganisms. Okay, this decomposition, when this decomposition takes place, there is a nutrient cycle that is happening. This nutrient cycle, when I say, it basically includes both the organic matter, okay, and the energy that is being used in the form of a cycle, okay, for the next trophic level organisms to get their energy. Okay, so that is the nutrient cycle. Like, for example, if the consumers have to feed on the autotrophs or the producers, the energy that they have, the cycle that they have in between them. Then comes the decomposers. From the consumers and the producers, the decomposers gets their energy. That nutrient cycle is formed, or there is a transfer of energy in each of the trophic level. That energy which will help them in the metabolism of that particular individual or in that particular animals in that trophic level basically will form the nutrient cycle. Okay. Now the last one is the energy flow. Okay. Energy flow is very important aspect of a functioning ecosystem. Okay. For a successful ecosystem, the energy flow in an ecosystem is very important. Basically, what is an energy flow? It is basically how the energy is being transferred from one trophic level to the other trophic level. So, today what will be studying is what is an ecosystem? Okay, the structure of an ecosystem, that includes abiotic and biotic factors. Then function of an ecosystem, productivity, decomposition, nutrient cycle, and the energy flow in an ecosystem. So, in the next video, I will be describing about the energy flow in an ecosystem.